Delta 2684, roger.
Endeavor 3514, a pop across the wind on our left, join Lima, 0.75.
And pop across 9 west, Lima, 0.75, Endeavor 3514.
Endeavor 38, traffic 2.5 out, cross the wind on our right, turn left on November.
Left side right, left on November, Delta 2438.
Southwest 9012, turn left on November, hold short of pop.
Left and over, hold short of pop, Southwest 9012.
Endeavor 3301, disregard traffic.
Departure, good night.
Good night, man. Bullshit 15 out of 10.
Turn wind on our left, join Lima, 0.75.
Cut across 9 left on Lima, 0.75, just 5,
Delta 1971, a pop across the wind on our left, join Lima, 0.75.
Cross line of Papa, join Lima, 0.75, 1971.
Delta 2438, a pop across the wind on our left, join Lima, 0.75.
Left side left to Papa, and over to 675 Delta 2438.
And departure for Delta 1094.
Delta 1094, yes sir, good night, departure, good night.
Good night, thanks.
Left 7557 on Ambrani, runway 8 right, clear for takeoff. Clear takeoff 8 right, on Ambrani, 7557. Southwest 5614, Atlanta Town, runway 8 right, line up away. 8 right, line up away, Southwest 5614. What is it? Right.
About 2338, taxi by Victory.
Taxi goes blue, Delta 2338. Good night, departure, good night.
3629, good day.
1708, runway 8 left for the land.
Airline 8 left, Delta 1 left.
It's on November, hold short of pop.
Take cross 9 right, and then steer early left on November, short of Papa, Delta 2429.
48 right, clear for takeoff, Southwest 5614. Delta 503, Atlanta Town, runway 8 right, line up away. 8 right, line away, Delta.
Left on November behind Southwest.
And we're going to take cross. Right.
Delta 1370, taxi by Victory.
Victory, Delta 1370.
Turn line 9 right, Delta 440.
Atlanta Town, runway 8 right, line up away. Line up away, 8 right, Delta 2365. Papa, head back south. Southwest 5, Southwest 94.
Delta 1370, take the pop across the wind on our left, join Lima, 0.75. Heavy traffic, 3 miles. As we approach them, cross lane left, give way to 1717 from the left, taxi runway 8 right.
Okay, clear to cross, 8 left at hotel, hold short at 8 right, give way to the 717, FedEx 724 ahead.
Delta 2338, give way to FedEx at hotel.
Give way to FedEx at hotel, about 2238.
FedEx 724, heavy change power frequency 15.32.
2532, FedEx 724.
So 85 heavy power 11708, runway 8 left for land. That was 2590, exit Hector Bravo 11, taxi Victory.
The lightest, and we're now looking like 2 clear for takeoff. So 1198, 110, and I'm like 2 on up the way. away for infield facing traffic will be downfield.
5130 Atlanta Tower, 1809, from Atlanta right.
American 649 Atlanta Tower, lane right, running place.
Item 188 red, American 649.
South 1261, head at departure, good.
That's 1261, good. American 2500. That's 3301, give way to that hotel. Hello, the 1971 Romeo 3, cross runway 9 right, turn left on November behind company.
Cross 9 right, join November behind company Airbus, Delta 1971.
Delta 2684 company, and November 2 is going to follow you.
Delta 2684, roger.
735 Papa cross going on the left, to Lima, 0.75.
And Papa cross 9 west, Papa 6.75, 03514.
438, grab 2.5 out, cross going on the right, then turn left on November.
Left on right, left on November, Delta 2438.
Southwest 9012, turn left on November, hold short of Papa.
Left and order, hold short of Papa, Southwest 9012.
Good night.
Coming out of left, to Lima,
9 west on Lima, 0.75, right, Delta 2664.
1971 at Papa cross going on the left, on Lima, 0.75.
Cross 9 of Papa, join Lima, 0.75, 1971.
Double 24,
500.
Papa cross going on left, on Lima, 0.75.
Left side left of Papa, 0.75, Delta
400. Approaching minimums.
Departure for Delta 1094.
300 minimums.
Flight 7557 on Embraer, runway right.
200.
Six takeoff, 8 right, RNAV, running east, touch 7. Southwest 66 Kilo, on a 10, lane right, run up away.
100.
Right up away, Southwest 66
50. 40. 30. Retard. Retard.
Jacksonville, Delta 30.